Hello everyone, I'm Jess and I'm excited to share some freebies with you along with other special news, including all the details about some new arrivals, inspiring new blog posts, pattern hacks, and our first ever sew-along. In the description below this video, we've included all the links to everything I'm going to share with you, and it's all in order, so feel free to browse in the description below this video to find what you need. Also, before I share the inside scoop with you, we would love if you would hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos or tutorials. So if you're ready, let's begin with a freebie. So who doesn't love free fabric? For a limited time, we are giving away a free 1-yard cut with a $100 purchase. There's no code needed, so all you have to do is shop and the freebie will be added to your cart, and our amazing team here at Sallie Tomato will select a mystery 1-yard cut of cotton fabric to include with your order. I do have another freebie to share with you, but you'll have to stick around to the end of the video to hear all about it. In other news, we are quickly selling out of our 2023 Advent box, so I wanted to extend the special price for you guys in case you haven't had the chance to snag one for yourself or a friend. This year's theme is Merry and Bright, and included in the box are 25 days of gifts, so you'll open one gift per day. And the gifts include brand new patterns, all the project supplies that you need, and unique gifts and collectible items that are only for box purchasers. I don't want to reveal too much because I want you to be surprised on December 1st when unboxing begins. So be sure to click the link below to purchase the box. So as you know, this year we have been rolling through different eras and time periods in our series for the year called Time Warp. For this month, we are featuring the early 2000s and have a brand new pattern launch with my newest pattern named Kristin. The Kristin tote bag has a sleek silhouette and simple design that is beginner friendly to make. This tote is spacious on the inside and a blank canvas on the outside, eager to feature embellishments or printed fabrics. This pattern was inspired by Kristin Davis and the character she played during the 2000s, who was traditional, fashionable, bright, and optimistic. Our kit team here at Sallie Tomato has been working hard to put together 3 different kit options so you can choose the kit that matches your style. The code Time Warp until the end of the month. Each month, in addition to our Time Warp pattern and kit, we also launch a brand new cork fabric to follow along with the theme. This month's 2000s decade introduced us to the rise of iPods, social media, boy bands, and even Harry Potter. In fashion trends, technology and Y2K influenced shiny black tones and reflective metallic fabrics. We drew upon this influence to bring you this month's 2000s inspired cork print called Preppy Plaid, which pairs beautifully with the Onyx cork. Last month, Sallie Tomato celebrated 7 years in business with a special offer for Cork Club. Many of you took advantage of this special offer, and I'd like to welcome you as a member of Cork Club. Each month, not only do you get 2 cuts of exclusive cork, but you also receive a newly illustrated drawing for inspiration and a chance to win a $100 gift certificate to Sallie Tomato. But one thing you might be wondering is, what patterns can you make with the cork cut? Well, our social media specialist, Caitlin, is right there with you, and she has put together a new blog post that contains 22 Sallie Tomato patterns you can easily make with the cork you receive from our club. And if that isn't enough inspiration, we also feature each contestant from our monthly contest on a special blog post too. And speaking of blogs, we are huge fans of the Netflix show Emily in Paris. Each character has their own unique style, and we love seeing the fashion trends that each season brings. I hear there's a new season coming out, and if you're a fan like me, we have some inspiration to share with you. We like to think it's, as Emily would say, like wearing poetry. Here at Sallie Tomato, we love to hack our patterns and give them a fresh look while enjoying the original structure and shape of the design. Our most recent pattern hack was of our ever popular ginger bag, where we added Y2K details and featured pink fabrics inspired by the Barbie movie release. On our blog, we've included instructions for how you can add a stylish buckle closure to the top flap of the ginger bag. We also embellished the bottom corners in a fresh way to give this bag a whole new look. Just follow the steps in our newest blog post, which also features a downloadable pattern. If you want to make this exact bag, our amazing kit team here at Sallie Tomato has put together limited edition kits with all of the fabrics and materials that you need to make this exact project. And remember, All the details about this pattern hack are linked below the video. In honor of National Sewing Month, we are celebrating by hosting our first ever mystery bag sew along starting in September. So here's how it works. First of all, you'll want to purchase a kit. This top secret kit contains all the materials that you'll need for the sew along, including a never before seen pattern that I'm sure you're going to love. So once you have all your supplies, you'll want to join Kate on September 5th for the premiere of the first part of the 5-part weekly series of this sew along. These kits are selling out fast, so be sure to grab a kit so you don't miss out on the fun. As the back to school season approaches, it's time to say goodbye to those boring lunch boxes. Packing lunches and eating healthy is a lot more fun when you have a pretty custom handmade lunch bag. We packed our Bette organizer pattern and turned it into an insulated lunch bag featuring cute food fabrics. Pack bento lunches with healthy hummus, protein-packed finger foods, yummy sandwiches, or leftovers from the night before. Go and check out our blog where we've shared 3 easy patterns and a list of healthy lunch ideas to inspire the back to school season or for every day at the office. As you may have heard, I am so proud to have launched my second book called Making Bags, a Field Guide. This book is a great resource for bag makers of any skill level to learn new techniques and build upon your bag making skills. We've recently launched 2 new videos, including a peek inside this book and also a video on behind the scenes of my writing process. I hope you enjoy watching the videos, and if you've already purchased a copy of my book, thank you, and I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. And as I wrap up this month's video of all the Sallie Tomato news, I'd like to share an inspiring quote with you and leave you with a little gift from us. We cannot become what we want by remaining what we are. If you desire to create projects like these, I truly believe in my heart that you can do it. And let this be your daily reminder to step outside your comfort zone today. I encourage you to join the sew along, become a member of our Cork Club community, or visit our blog for inspiration and perhaps to try a new technique that you wouldn't otherwise. You've got this, and we're right alongside you if you need help along the way. We'd love to hear from you and get to know you so we can better serve you and create projects and tutorials that you're excited to learn about. We've linked a short 5-question survey below, and at the end of the survey, there's a $5 gift card for you to use at sallietomato.com. We appreciate your time, and I hope you'll treat yourself, and we look forward to hearing from you. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me and hearing all of the exciting things that we have to share with you. Until next time, I hope you have a creative day.